welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful website Unenuitnomade made by me. So friends, here is the website look. This is built in WooCommerce WordPress and the e-commerce beautiful website from Paris or sent website. Now I will show you the website look as well. So friends, see the website look. Let me refresh it. See the beautiful home page with beautiful slider. See guys, scroll down and you will see the slides as well. The beautiful. This is e-commerce website built with WordPress and WooCommerce. And now languages, multiple language website, the shop page and the beautiful toggle menu and the mini card as well. Let me cross it, developed by me. Beautiful mini card, empty. Now I will show you the one of the product buying demo. See, also see the functionality. Add to cart. The product added will show here. See, add it inside the mini card. You will see the gift as well. Close it. Return to shop page. You will see the beautiful page, collection page. See guys, the collection of scents, the beautiful. And guys, I work for this website almost 4 years, and I must say my client is very good, and her name is Alexandra. Very wonderful client that I have worked with. Very helpful as well. See, sliding and pressing also change. See, add to cart, and I will show you the beautiful functionality made by me. The gift toggle, the gift that we have add the comment with the sentence well. And now I will press it, yes, and now proceed to checkout. See guys, now you can see the gift as well. Now we can add the message here as well, and this is the shipping, the total, add coupon as well, the payment services, PayPal, credit cards as well, the footer, back to home page. So guys, see the beautiful website. And friends, after this demo I will come with more demos made by me. This is my best work in WordPress WooCommerce. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. This is my blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. You'll get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services, and also you will get multiple things via my blog like e-commerce website, WooCommerce website, Angular free admin dashboard as well. OJS, V Tigers, and guys, I am a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. Now back to website. See the beautiful website, and after that I will come with more demos. So friends, in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.